Hello friend, today we will show you special endgame study. See the position on the board carefully. White has 3 pawn and black also 3 pawn. This position looks dry, but your challenge is white to play and win the game. If you solve this puzzle, you are genius in chess. If you accept this challenge, then pause your video here and try to solve. Now we are giving you the solution. Here white has 3 options, either to play this pawn on h4, or play king or this pawn. We will take this pawn h4. If h4 is played, then black will play h5, king h5, threatening to win this pawn, and king g3 is the answer. Then black will play f5 and game is draw here because of king h3, king h6, king here and no move, draw. We will take back. If white plays second option king g4, then f5 sack, then king, let's say h4, king h6, taking a position. If king g3, king g6 and game is draw, we will take back, show last option. So here white plays f5 sack. This is winning. See this move? This is a surprise. Now white wins the game. He has 2 options, black has 2 options, either to take or to play g5. First we play king g5, then f6 is played. Now if king plays here, taking this first pawn, let's say, good option, then king will go to here. White will not give this pawn. What to do? He will come, black will go back on g5, king g5, then king g3. Now what to do? If king cross this pawn, f6, then white will play king g4. Now what to do? Let's say if king g6, then h4 is the answer. Now if f6 is played, then h5 check. If here king h6 is played, then he will play here king h6. Now answer is king f5. He will sacrifice this pawn and will take all pawn and win the game. This is the study, endgame study. See this move. Now he will take, then king cross f6, king any g4, king is e5, king f3 and king cross this pawn d5. Now if he plays, how to save this? If he plays king, let's say e3, then king c4, and this is the position in which whose turn will lose the game. So now it is black turn and black will lose the game. Here black resign, we will take back. So here instead of king g5, if he takes this pawn, last option, then what will happen? White will play h4. Now what to do? He will move this pawn here. If king e5, good option only, then king will go g4. He cannot play this pawn. This will be lost. So what to do? Good option is f6, king f6, then h5. Now what to do? King g7, then king g5. If king g8, then king f6. And if king will go here, f8, h6, g8, check. He will give this pawn and will take all and win the game. King cross pawn, f7, h7, then king cross f7. Now here or here, both are losing for black. Here white wins the game. King, let's say here, king e6, king here, king cross pawn, king f7, king cross pawn, king anywhere, and king will go to here. King take a position, then this pawn is winning, d4, winning. So you saw this interesting puzzle. If you liked the content of this video, then comment and share with your friends. Also, If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.